2023 Dodge Durango. With less than 57,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.